to another video. We're currently in Townsville, so I thought I would take you along with us today. We're going to Magnetic Island and yeah, just vlog a little bit, show you around. We just got our camper van yesterday, so we drove from Cairns to Townsville yesterday as well and woke up to this beautiful view at the lake today here in Townsville. Parents just arrived for Christmas and New Year's so that we can spend that together, and we're going to travel down to Sydney until New Year's with our camper van. There are freaking huge coconuts hanging on this tree, and I've never seen like real coconut trees before. Looks so crazy. We just arrived on Magnetic Island and it is so freaking beautiful, like the beaches and just the view, all the palm trees. It's so freaking beautiful. I love it. We just got some yummy snacks and I got a healthy pistachio lime slice and some kombucha. Also got some muffins and a cheesecake. Yummy! Got some avocado, broccoli, quinoa something salad, looking like this, and I'm going to share some pizza with my mom, so we're going to share both plates. And I got some non-cheese, the Alpha. Yummy! So we just finished our dinner and it was so freaking good. The salad was so good. Even though the restaurant didn't have like a lot of vegetarian vegan options, but the salad was a salmon avocado salad with quinoa, and so I just asked to get it without salmon and we got some broccoli instead. And yeah, it was amazing. The pizza was quite good as well. And now we're watching the last bits of the sunshine, and my brother's trying to get our drone ready and hopefully we'll get some nice shots. I'm excited, it looks so beautiful. Can't get over these pretty palm trees and they're standing like everywhere. So lovely and so near to the beach. Love it. Looks so pretty. We're flying the drone at the moment. So excited to see what we can get with it. Oh, ich hab dich nicht drauf. You can't see it, but it's going to be some amazing shots.